Hello everyone and welcome back to OneHowTo. In this new belly dancing video, we are going to learn a movement called the waterfall. We need to bear in mind that using a veil is like having an extension of our body, so we need to work with it gently and smoothly. We will start with the waterfall at the front. Extend your arms fully, bring your hands together at the highest point, pass it over your head and open out. And do it again the other way. Put your hands together, bring them up and open. It is important that we open our hands once we pass the veil over our head, so that the veil does not fall at rest on our face. We will perform it several times until we have mastered it completely. Next, we will learn the side waterfall. We hide one of our hands behind our back, and with the other, we flick it up and let the veil fall. We then change the arm. For the waterfall effect, we need to go up quickly and let it fall slowly. We can also do the waterfall at the side by changing our weight and balance. We take a step towards each side and shift our weight by flexing at the knee. It should look like this. Thank you for watching and we hope you found this video helpful. Give us a like if so, and subscribe for more to come. See you next time!